In this video, we get the Altezza ready to test drive. Let's go. Okay, so there's a few things that we need to do to this car to make sure we have a successful test drive. So first being is I need to install the gear shifter, so let's do that.
Crashing, hit a wall. Right now I need a miracle. Hurry up now, I need a miracle. Stranded, reaching out. I call your name but you're not around. I say your name but you're not around. I need ya, I need ya, I need you right now. Yeah, I need you right now. So don't let me down. I think I'm losing my mind now. It's in my head, darling, I hope that you'll be here when I need you the most. So don't let me down. Don't let me down. Yeah, don't let me down.
So next is the rear spacers. Now I've got 15mm non-hub centric spacers on with two 5mm slip-ons, and that's just to see fitment because I didn't know exactly what spacer to run on the stock wheels. Now I know that and I've ordered those. Now it is just a test drive, but I'm not comfortable going even down the road with that setup currently. So let's get these on the car so it's nice and safe for the test drive. And just a note, I am running these as bolt-ons for the test drive. I've got longer studs to go on when I put the other wheels on.
Out of time, I really thought you were on my side, but now there's nobody by my side. I need ya, I need ya, I need you right now. Yeah, I need you right now.
Okay, so the spacers are in the car and it's looking awesome on the stock rims, nice fitment. Next is a power steering leak. For whatever reason, I was wrenching on this side rack end and I think I may have created a leak. Either way, the boot is leaking, so it could be one of the hoses above the boot because I can't see it from here. So let's take the wheel off and have a look to see if we can work out where this power steering leak is.
Don't let me down. I think I'm losing my mind now.
Now, luckily it is just a hose. It is not done up properly. I didn't want to wrench on the aluminium fittings when I did the power steering, and I haven't done it up tight enough. Let's nip that up and that will solve the power steering leak. So the power steering pump is at pressure and we've got no leaks. Beautiful. Perfect. Okay, so now that is done. Next is the suspension. Now, I've got a lot of loose bolts on this car simply for the fact that you do need to wait until you've put it down on the ground and then tighten them up when they're at ride height. Now, I don't want to sit on the concrete floor doing that, so what I'm going to do is put a transmission jack under each wheel, jack it up to about ride height, and then tighten all the bolts. I need to make sure I've tightened everything because the whole suspension's been off the car. Now, the test drive is only going to be about a 20-minute drive. I'll come back and then do that again anyway, but let's make sure nothing falls off in the test drive.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. too long. It hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no, you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't.
Okay, so the front is done, and I set the caster while I was there. I haven't fully set it to the max yet. Just for the test drive, I've kept it in around the factory setting. Now it's time for the rear. The rear has a million nuts to do up, so it's gonna take a long time. Let's do it.
Control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long. It hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
And the suspension is all tight, so I believe the car is ready to put back down on the ground. Let's put it down.
Hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
It feels so good to have this car out of the shed. It's been a lot of work. It's taken 4 months. 4 months to get this done. In fairness, I probably would have been able to do it in maybe a month if I wasn't filming it. Filming does take longer. But boy, is it worth it. Even on the stockies. It looks good. It looks really good. I'm so happy. Looks so nice. Ah, the stance is perfect. It just looks super tough, and it's going to look even tougher with the right wheels on it. So in the next episode, we're going to be doing the test drive. It's just a quick 20-minute test drive just to give it a bit of a shakedown, bed in the brakes and get that done. And then we can fit the wheels. I've got a solution now, and the wheels are going to fit. we'll flare the guards a little bit. It is going to happen. So please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.
As you fade